एवरीवन, मैं हूं एना और आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूं पूरे 50 डेली बोले जाने वाले फ्रेजेस एंड इडियम्स हिंदी में मीनिंग के साथ। शुरू करते हैं और फर्स्ट है बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट, फैसला आपके हाथ में है। आई हैव डन ऑल आई कैन, नाउ द बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट। नेक्स्ट है बीटिंग अ डेड हॉर्स, बेकार की बात करना। आर्ग्यूइंग अबाउट इट is like beating a dead horse. Next, burning the candle at both ends. ज़्यादा काम करके खुद को थकाना. Example देखते हैं. She's been burning the candle at both ends to finish the project. Next, cost an arm and a leg. बहुत महंगा. Example है. This phone costs an arm and a leg. Next, devil's advocate. विरोधी पक्ष प्रस्तुत करना. Example, let me play devil's advocate for a moment. Next, elephant in the room. लेकिन अनदेखा मुद्दा. We need to address the elephant in the room. Fit as a fiddle. पूरी तरह से स्वस्थ. At 70s, she's still fit as a fiddle. Next, jump on the bandwagon. लोकप्रिय प्रवृत्ति में शामिल होना. Everyone is jumping on the bandwagon of the new diet trend. Kick the bucket. Marna. He kicked the bucket at the age of 98. Get your act together. अपना काम और बेहतरी से करना. You need to get your act together if you need to pass your exams. Next है by the book. सख्ती से नियमों के अनुसार. The lawyer followed the case by the book. Hold your horses. धैर्य रखो. Hold your horses. Let's think about this before making a decision. Next is hit the ground running. शुरुआत से ही बहुत जोश के साथ काम करना. He hit the ground running on his first day at work. Let the chips fall where they may. Result की चिंता किए बिना ही काम करना. I'll tell him the truth and let the chips fall where they may. Next is make a long story short. संक्षेप में कहना. To make a long story short, we missed the flight. One's cup of tea. पसंद की चीज नहीं. Camping is not my cup of tea. Off the beaten path. कम जाना हुआ स्थान. We found a beautiful little town off the beaten path. On the fence. निर्णय ना कर पाना. I'm still on the fence which dress to buy. Once in a blue moon. बहुत कम. We meet each other once in a blue moon. Out of the blue. अचानक. Call me out of the blue. Piece of cake. बहुत आसान. The test was a piece of cake. Put all your eggs in one basket. सभी दाव एक ही जगह लगाना. Don't put all your eggs in one basket with all your investments. Raining cats and dogs. बहुत तेज बारिश. It's raining cats and dogs outside. See eye to eye. सहमत होना. Don't see eye to eye on this issue. Next is speak of the devil. जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे वही आ जाए. Speak of the devil and he appears. Next is lend an ear. ध्यान से सुनो. She's always lend an ear when I need to talk. Next is the best of both worlds. दो चीजों का फायदा उठाना. She enjoys the best of both worlds with her job and flexible hours. Next, the last straw. अंतिम सहनशीलता की सीमा. His rude comment was the last straw. Under the weather. बीमार महसूस करना. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Up in the air. अनिश्चित. Patient plans are still up in the air. Walk on eggshells. सावधानी से काम करना. I feel like I'm walking on eggshells around him. You can't judge a book by its cover. बाहरी दिखावे से निर्णय नहीं लेना चाहिए. He looks tough, but you can't judge a book by its cover. Spill the beans. राज खोल देना. Who spilled the beans about the surprise party? Hang in there. हिम्मत मत हारो. I know it's tough, but hang in there. Things will get better. Hit the sack. सो जाना. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. Out of work. बेरोजगार. Since the factory closed, many workers have been out of work. Flat broke. बिल्कुल भी पैसा ना होना. I can't go out tonight. I am flat broke. Change of heart, man badalna. At first, he didn't want to help, but then he had a change of heart. Next है all ears. किसी चीज को सुनने के लिए बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. Hard not to crack. ऐसा व्यक्ति या फिर वस्तु जो निपटना या समझना मुश्किल हो. The math problem is hard not to crack. Stiff-necked, घमंडी. He's so stiff-necked he won't even consider my suggestion. Next is out of the woods. खतरे से बाहर. Thanks to the doctor, he is finally out of the woods. Take it easy, आराम से. Take it easy, there is no rush. Next is be in her bonnet. किसी चीज के बारे में पूरी तरह से ध्यान देना. She's gotta be in her bonnet about finishing the project on time. A gray area. कुछ अस्पष्ट, like जो चीज clear नहीं है. The legality of this issue falls into a gray area. A rip-off. अधिक महंगा या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा. Paying 1,000 rupees for the tiny meal was a total rip-off. Little birdie told me मतलब है किसी ने secretly बताया या फिर किसी ने चुपके से बताया. A little birdie told me that you got a promotion. Congratulations. Next is never say never. कभी मत कहो कि कभी नहीं. Remember, never say never when it comes to mastering a new language. Get it out of your system. मतलब है negativity को या फिर कोई बुरी चीज को अपने से निकालना. If you're nervous about speaking English, practice with your friends to get it out of your system. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. This is the end of the lesson. I hope you like the lesson. If you like it, then hit the like button and share it with your friends as much as you can. See you in the next lesson. Till then, practice, 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 because practice will make you perfect. Bye-bye.